Like most women, when I'm not eating well, I can feel it in my body. My nails start breaking more easily, my hair feels a little lifeless, and my skin becomes more prone to breakouts. It's usually my first sign that I need to lift my game and get back to nourishing myself properly. If you've recently had a baby, you might be noticing similar changes: hair shedding, brittle nails, or dull skin that just doesn't look quite like it used to. You're definitely not alone. These are some of the most common postnatal changes I hear about from new mums. Stay tuned, because in this video, we'll unpack why these changes happen after pregnancy, and I'll share 6 key nutrients that help you rebuild from the inside out. Hello, I'm Melanie McGrice, an advanced accredited practicing dietitian specialising in fertility, pregnancy and early life nutrition. I help mums and mums-to-be nourish the next generation and themselves with evidence-based nutrition advice. Now, if you'd like some extra support getting your postnatal nutrition back on track, you can book a consultation with one of our experienced dietitians, available over telehealth wherever you are in the world. You'll find the link below. Now let's start with what's actually happening biologically after pregnancy. During pregnancy, your body prioritizes your baby. Your hormones, particularly estrogen and progesterone, rise dramatically. Your blood volume expands and your body channels an enormous amount of energy and nutrients towards supporting your baby's growth. Once your baby arrives, those hormone levels drop sharply. That's one of the main reasons behind postnatal hair shedding. During pregnancy, estrogen keeps hair in its growth phase longer, which is why many women notice thicker, fuller hair. But once those hormones fall, all those extra hairs move into their resting phase and start shedding, often all at once. Although it can feel alarming, it's completely normal. Most women find that their hair growth returns to its usual rhythm within 6 to 12 months, but nutrition can make a big difference in how well your body recovers. So let's talk about 6 key nutrients that support healthy hair, nails and skin after pregnancy. The first one is protein. Hair and nails are made mostly of a protein called keratin, and your skin relies on collagen for structure and resilience. Although your protein requirements actually decrease a little compared to pregnancy, it's still an important nutrient for tissue repair and overall recovery. Make sure you include a source of protein at each meal. Eggs, Greek yogurt, lean meats, tofu, beans or lentils are excellent options. The second is iron. Many women lose a significant amount of blood during delivery, and if your iron stores were already low during pregnancy, you might start your postnatal period depleted. Now, low iron doesn't just cause fatigue. It can also contribute to hair thinning and pale skin. Now, if you think your iron levels might be low, get them checked before starting supplements. In the meantime, include iron-rich foods such as red meat, chicken, lentils and spinach, and pair them with vitamin C-rich foods such as tomatoes or capsicum to help enhance absorption. The third nutrient is zinc. Zinc plays a key role in cell repair, immune function and wound healing, and it's essential for hair growth and skin repair. You'll find it in foods such as oysters, lean meats, nuts, seeds and whole grains. Next up, omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA. Now, these healthy fats help reduce inflammation and support skin hydration. During pregnancy, much of your omega-3 is transferred to your baby for brain and eye development, so your levels may be a bit lower after birth. Try to include oily fish such as salmon or sardines twice a week, or chat with one of our early life nutrition dietitians about a supplement if you don't eat fish. The fifth nutrient is vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen synthesis and wound healing. It also helps your skin recover from oxidative stress, something that's higher than usual when you're short on sleep and feeling run down. Citrus fruits, berries, kiwi fruit and capsicum are all excellent choices and easy to snack on while caring for your baby. And lastly, biotin, one of the B vitamins often mentioned for hair and nail strength. While true biotin deficiency is rare, ensuring a balanced diet with whole grains, eggs and nuts will meet your needs without requiring supplements. Beyond individual nutrients, what's most important is consistency. Your body's just been through a massive transformation, growing a baby, giving birth, and for many women, breastfeeding. Instead of chasing one miracle supplement, focus on nourishing regular meals that provide balance over time. One of the most practical tips I give my postnatal clients is to eat before they get overly hungry. When you're tired and busy, it's easy to forget to eat until you're starving. And that's when we try to grab whatever's fastest. Try keeping some quick, nourishing snacks on hand, things like boiled eggs, roasted chickpeas, or small snack boxes with cheese, fruit, and nuts. Hydration is another big one. Even mild dehydration can make your skin look dull and your hair more brittle. If you're breastfeeding, your fluid needs are higher, so keep a water bottle nearby and sip regularly throughout the day. Now, there are a few myths that I want to clear up. You might read online that postpartum hair loss means that you're deficient in something, but in most cases, it's simply hormonal and temporary. Good nutrition supports recovery, but it doesn't stop the natural shedding phase altogether. And you don't need to take a whole shelf of supplements unless they've been specifically recommended by your healthcare professional. Food first, supplements only when necessary. So, what's the takeaway here? Hair, skin and nail changes after pregnancy are incredibly common, and they're your body's way of showing where it's drawing nutrients for recovery. Focusing on a balanced diet rich in protein, iron, zinc and omega-3s, along with vitamin C and biotin, will help your body rebuild from the inside out. And if you'd like a personalised advice to support your postnatal recovery, then you can book a one-on-one telehealth consultation with one of our dietitians. The link's in the description box below. I'd love to hear from you. Have you noticed any changes in your hair, skin or nails since having your baby? Well, please share your experiences in the comments box and let's keep this conversation going. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.